I'm jet lagged. Let's get some fucking drinks. So I think we have arrived to Castello San Giorgio? San Jose? What's that place called? What's this place? Where are we?
I just walked into a pool.
Where is it?
We're only outside the castle.
I thought it was San Jose Castle. This is a pretty good view though. See that right at our table. We will be entering medieval times.
Here we go.
Oh, sorry.
It's day 2 in Lisbon, and we are going to walk along the water and head over to Belem.
How is it?
It's so good.
What does it taste like?
Sweet,
What's
eggy, flaky, buttery. Oh my god, try it. We are off to see a Fado show, and it's our last night in Lisbon, so that is very appropriate. Dinner and drinks included. I'm sure gonna miss this city. It's beautiful and gritty, and it has so much character, and the people are amazing, and the food is amazing, and I just freaking love it here. You know those old people that do laps around the mall? That's us. Just drinking, doing laps around the time market.